Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do an Ulta haul. I did a big order over like Mother's Day week, and it finally came in. So if you're interested in seeing some makeup, skincare, and hair care that I recently picked up, then keep watching. So the first thing I picked out was Too Faced. This is the Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and it has been forever since I had this bronzer. If you have been following me for a long time, you guys know back in the day I got it was like a bronzer palette from Too Faced, and it had all of like their 10 bronzers. I apologize for this hair. I'm headed to the pool later today, so I'm just not even gonna worry about dealing with it. But I loved a bunch of their bronzers, but a lot of them are discontinued, like Too Faced doesn't make them anymore. But this one was definitely a tried and true. I absolutely loved it. So I've never purchased like a full size of this one before, but this is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty with the gold packaging. That is what the bronzer kind of looks like. It's just a really nice kind of easy to apply, blend out bronzer. I don't like anything super deep. I did like some of like their Sun Bunny. I think there was Endless Summer too. I really loved those. So I purchased this because I just wanted a bronzer that I can use everyday basis. I do also have the Tarte Hotel Heiress waterproof bronzer still too. Another makeup item I picked up was the IT Cosmetics Color Correcting CC Plus Full Coverage Cream. This is Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum SPF 50. And I've heard a lot of people talk really positively about this. I thought this would be something really nice to try. Color I got was light, especially for the summertime. I love the Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream. Has the SPF 35 though, so this is a little bit more SPF coverage, but I like throwing something on really easily. The Smashbox one is the one I'm wearing today, so I wanted something a little easier to wear. So I love the packaging that it comes with, like a pump and a squirt tube, and that is what the product looks like. I do think light should work for me. I might get a little darker throughout the summer, but right now this is definitely the perfect kind of color match for me. And it does kind of have a scent to it, not like super sunscreeny, which is nice. So I will play with this definitely this summer. Let you guys know kind of how I like it. Maybe do a demo kind of review for it, first impression. So stay tuned for that. I picked up one of my favorite hair care products. This is the Redken All Soft Heavy Cream Treatment. This is what I use as conditioner when I wash my hair every 2 to 3 days. Leaves my hair feeling really soft and silky, gets all the tangles out. Does have argan oil. They have changed the marketing and packaging of this. It's still kind of the same gold tube, black cap, but some of the marketing writing is a little different for those who have been purchasing this. And I will say it's the same product because I have purchased it in this form from Amazon, and it's still the same product. So highly recommend that if you're interested. I also wanted to pick this baby up. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Shade I got was Light Sand, and I've heard a lot of people have rave reviews about this, so I wanted to try it out. This is what the product currently looks like, and I have loved a lot of e.l.f. products. It looks very similar, the packaging, to like the Tarte Shape Tape. So there is, it's swatched right there. A little bit more orangey, peachy tone than what I am used to. I have light neutral at Tarte, so let's see. So we will play with this a little bit more. Very lightweight, which is really nice. Doesn't have, actually it does kind of have a floral kind of scent to it. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. I'll play with that a lot here. I picked up a new Stila. This is the All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Intense Black. I absolutely love this. Use it all the time. I have compared it against other liquid eyeliners, so check those videos out if you're interested. But I did purchase another one to keep comparing liquid eyeliners out for you guys. Next thing here is one of my favorite products. This is the Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. I have used so many of these up in the past. It looks stark white. It is translucent. I I have recommended this to so many family friends and they absolutely love it. The biggest kind of complaint is the plastic packaging. This is about $3–4 around there. So this is not that great to travel with. This little clasp breaks off very easily, but the product inside is amazing. I have repurchased many times. Love that powder. Purchased two single eyeshadows from Anastasia. You guys know I am currently using Vanilla for my Project Pan or Pan That palette this year, but I'm starting to weed through it, so I wanted to try their eyeshadow in Fresh. So this is what that shade looks like. It looks a little bit more peachy in tone instead of like the stark white like Vanilla. There is it on my hand, and then swatched, it is right there. Just kind of did it light-handedly. So I like using a product like this to set my eyeshadow primer and to kind of use as my brow bone color. So I'm excited to try out Fresh. And then I wanted to try out another sparkly kind of shade. This is Vermeer. I think this shade was actually in the Modern Renaissance palette as well from Anastasia. And it's kind of like a gold shimmer kind of shade. There's it swatched on my finger, and then next to it, it is definitely a brighter and shimmerier. Moving on, I have a couple more makeup items. I did pick up the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Shade is light neutral. I am almost done with the one currently in my makeup bag, so I did want to pick up another one of these, and then I'll compare it against the e.l.f. one, but that is kind of my tried and true concealer at the moment. Also picked up a pretty old school product. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, just the original. I was using the, what is it called? The anti-aging one for a long time, but I wanted to just give this baby a go again, see how I like it. So this is what it looks like. I've recently tried out again the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm not a big fan of it. Just a little bit too liquidy, but excited to play with this one again. It's been so long, so I'm excited to compare this one against like my e.l.f. one and Milani one that I have been using lately. Another new item for me is the Clinique High Impact Waterproof Mascara, and that is what the packaging looks like. I got the shade Black. I just wanted to try out another mascara that claims to be waterproof, see how it does, especially in the summertime with going to splash pads, water parks like pools, things like that. So I wanted to pick up something new to try that hopefully is waterproof and will be working well for my eyelashes. Then I picked up a Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I've used one of these in the past. I think I used the gentle version up in the past, so I like using this just on really easy days. I squirt this onto my makeup eraser and I just kind of take my makeup off that way. And I like doing it that way and using this like as a toner, things like that. So I like having a product like this, especially at night, to just kind of cleanse. So soothes, takes off waterproof mascara, so I can test it out for you guys. But yeah, love having a micellar water that kind of just clears everything out. And then I got a couple of samples. Looks like the first thing is the Chlorine Mask Nutrition Nourishing Mask. Then I got a Living Proof Curl Defining Gel, which I definitely won't use, but I might give it to like my sister who likes having her hair curled. And then from Native Fig, this is the Replenishing Shampoo, or this is Rusk Pure Mix. So we will try those out. But that is everything I picked out from Ulta. Definitely some tried and true products, some old school products I'm excited to play with again, and then some new products as well to test out. So let me know if you've tried any of these products out in the comments down below. I'll keep you guys updated with how they go, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye. Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I